In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Mii on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Mii. On here, choose Create or Edit a Mii, then select Create New Mii from the menu on the left, and choose how you want to start the new Mii. You can start from scratch, or use a preset to start from. We'll select Start from Scratch, and now you can customize each element of it. This is obviously completely up to you. Choose each element of the Mii and cycle through the options in each at the top for more customization. Before leaving, enter a nickname at the bottom and select Done. This Mii will now show on the Mii list where you can select it to edit or delete it in the future. You could also send or receive Miis with the option at the bottom. That's how to create a Mii on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.